Did you know that, on average, people spend about 28 hours a week in the kitchen? That's more than a full-time job. For many, this time is filled with the hustle and bustle of meal preparation, cooking, and cleaning up afterward. With busy schedules, juggling work, family, and social commitments, the kitchen can become a source of stress rather than joy. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there were simple hacks that could transform this time-consuming chore into a more efficient and enjoyable experience? The idea of time-saving kitchen hacks is not just a trend. It's a necessity for anyone who wants to reclaim their time without sacrificing the joy of cooking. The common challenges faced in the kitchen are universal: the daunting task of meal prep, the overwhelming choice of ingredients, and the constant race against the clock. These challenges can lead to frustration, hurried meals, and ultimately a less enjoyable cooking experience. But what if you could cut down on that time and stress? Let's dive into a series of practical kitchen hacks that can save you precious minutes and simplify your cooking tasks, making your time in the kitchen more productive and pleasant. First on the list is the concept of batch cooking. This hack is a game changer for those who struggle with daily meal preparation. Instead of cooking every day, set aside a few hours on the weekend to prepare meals for the week ahead. Cook large portions of grains, proteins, and vegetables, then store them in the fridge or freezer. Not only does this save time during the week, but it also ensures you have healthy, homemade meals at your fingertips. Imagine coming home after a long day and simply reheating a delicious, nutritious meal instead of starting from scratch. Next, let's talk about the power of pre-chopped vegetables. Many people shy away from cooking because they dread the prep work. However, investing in pre-chopped vegetables can significantly reduce your cooking time. If you prefer fresh ingredients, consider spending a little time each week washing, peeling, and chopping your favorite veggies, then storing them in airtight containers. This way, when it's time to cook, all you have to do is grab a handful of prepped vegetables and toss them into the pan. This simple hack can cut down your meal prep time by at least half. Another fantastic time saver is using a slow cooker or an instant pot. These appliances are not just for the ambitious cook. They are perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. With a slow cooker, you can throw in your ingredients in the morning, set it, and forget it. By the time you return home, a delicious meal is waiting for you. Similarly, the Instant Pot can pressure cook meals in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Imagine being able to prepare a hearty stew or tender chicken in under an hour. These appliances can drastically reduce cooking time and allow you to focus on other important tasks. Let's not overlook the importance of organizing your kitchen. A cluttered, disorganized space can lead to wasted time searching for utensils or ingredients. Take the time to declutter your kitchen and create designated spaces for everything. Use clear containers for pantry items, label your spices, and keep frequently used tools within easy reach. An organized kitchen not only saves time, but also creates a more pleasant cooking environment. You'll be amazed at how much quicker you can whip up a meal when you know exactly where everything is. One of the most used impactful hacks that can change your approach to meal preparation is the concept of one-pan meals. The idea is simple. Use a single pan or baking dish to cook your entire meal. This not only saves time on cooking, but also makes cleanup a breeze. Think roasted vegetables alongside a protein or a stir-fry where everything cooks together in one skillet. One-pan meals are not only efficient, but also allow for creativity in the kitchen. You can mix and match ingredients based on what you have on hand, making it a versatile and time-saving approach to cooking. Another clever hack is to utilize your microwave for more than just reheating leftovers. Microwaves can be your best friend when it comes to cooking certain foods quickly. For instance, you can steam vegetables in minutes by placing them in a microwave-safe bowl with a bit of water and covering them. You can even cook potatoes or sweet potatoes in the microwave for a speedy side dish. Embracing the microwave's full potential can save you time and energy, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your meal. Lastly, consider meal planning as a powerful hack for saving time in the kitchen. Taking a little time each week to plan your meals can eliminate last-minute scrambles and indecision about what to cook. Create a simple meal plan. Write down your grocery list based on that plan and stick to it. This not only streamlines your shopping process, but also ensures that you have everything you need on hand, reducing the likelihood of impulse buys or wasted ingredients. In summary, the kitchen can be a place of joy and creativity rather than a source of stress and time consumption. By implementing these time-saving hacks, batch cooking, pre-chopped vegetables, utilizing slow cookers and instant pots, organizing your space, embracing one-pan meals, maximizing your microwave, and meal planning, you can transform your cooking experience. These strategies not only save time, but also enhance your ability to prepare delicious meals that nourish you and your loved ones. Imagine reclaiming those 28 hours spent in the kitchen and turning them into moments of connection, relaxation, or even a little adventure in trying out new recipes. With these hacks in your culinary toolkit, you can make your kitchen a haven of efficiency and enjoyment, allowing you to savor the art of cooking without the burden of time constraints.